Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to see how to rename a database in MySQL database in phpMyAdmin. So if you have already your phpMyAdmin, run it. If you're using WAMP, you know how to click on WAMP. If you are using Windows, then it's gonna start. When it starts, go to your WAMP on your URL, then go there. But if you're using Linux, especially Kali Linux, what you're gonna do, you're gonna run this command for me. It's gonna be service MySQL start. After that, then you can run another command saying service Apache to start. Oh, they say it's Apache 2. Simply means what I'm doing is I messed up with something. I did services instead of service. It's gonna be service Apache 2. It's gonna be 2. So I'm putting S. I don't know. 2 start. Then you start. After starting all those two services, you're gonna do something simple. You're gonna go to localhost /phpMyAdmin. Remember this, because I logged in yet before, but if you never logged in before, it's gonna ask you for username and password. Put in that username. So now we want to rename our database, so it doesn't matter using Windows or whatever, as long as using phpMyAdmin. It's the same software, it's the same procedure we're gonna use to change the database name. So what we're gonna do, we're going to look for the database you want to, then double click it, then after that, then you click on operations. After clicking operations, you look down and say rename database to. Look at this name, is too it's too long. I want to rename my database to something simple, like maybe I can name it even I'm failing to get a name. It's gonna be I'll call it Azania DB. So after that, you can scroll and say go. Say create database Azania drop database this. So that's what it says, and this just to rename. Don't worry about, because drop most times it means it can tell you that you are deleting the DB, but we're not. We're just renaming this DB. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna say okay. After that, okay, let's wait. It's a big DB. Let's see what's gonna happen after a couple of minutes. It's taking longer, but it's gonna work. Yes, after that, you can see that we managed to rename our database. If I click here, I get all the tables. So to confirm what we've done that is right, you can say log into localhost host /phpMyAdmin. Okay, you can see that database is gone. We have Azania DB, so you can double click on that DB. You see, I've double clicked on the DB, and what I see is all the tables I'm supposed to see. If I click on one of the tables, all the data is still in here like before. Okay guys, I think that's one of the best things we've done today, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. and please comment if you have any comment. But that's the way we named it. We renamed the database in phpMyAdmin. But some of people, if they want to use the command prompt, they can use the command prompt, but using a GUI always is the best way. I think it's the easiest way to do things. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.